Welcome everyone to the Best Sellers Market channel. It's fantastic to have you here with us today. I'm thrilled to guide you through an exciting journey as we count down the top selling windshield washer fluids on Amazon. Windshield washer fluids may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of essential car maintenance products, but they play a crucial role in keeping your windshield clear and ensuring your safety on the road. With so many options available, it can be challenging to choose the best one. That's where we come in. Today, we'll be highlighting the top picks based on sales, customer reviews, and overall performance. These products have earned their place in the spotlight, and I'm excited to share them with you. So, without further ado, let's dive into our countdown of the best-selling windshield washer fluids on Amazon. Sit back, relax, and get ready to discover which products are making waves in the market. Let's go! Introducing number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling windshield washer fluids on Amazon, the Souk Car Windshield Washer Tablets. Imagine a single tiny tablet transforming into a powerful windshield cleaning solution. The Souk Car Windshield Washer Tablet does just that. Each tablet, no bigger than a small coin, packs the punch of 1.05 gallons of premium glass cleaning fluid. It's designed to obliterate dust and stains with ease, leaving your windshield sparkling clean and ensuring your driving safety, but that's not all. These tablets redefine convenience. Each one is individually packaged, making them incredibly easy to carry. Gone are the days of lugging around bulky bottles of glass cleaner. With these compact powerhouses, you have a potent cleaning solution at your fingertips, ready whenever you need it. Using the Souk Car Windshield Washer Tablets is a breeze. Simply drop a tablet into your car's water tank, fill the tank with water, and wait 15 to 20 minutes. Voila! Your potent cleaning solution is ready to go. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, you can pre-dissolve the tablet in water before adding it to the tank. Either way, you're set for an effortless, efficient clean. The versatility of these tablets is impressive. Not only do they excel at cleaning car windshields, but they're also fantastic for tackling dust and stains on tiles, windows, and various other surfaces. It's a multi-purpose cleaning solution in a compact, easy-to-use form. When you opt for Souk Car Windshield Washer Tablets, you're getting an abundant supply. The package includes approximately 100 individually packaged tablets, each with a 6 mm radius. That's more than enough to meet all your cleaning needs, whether it's for your car or around your home. Souk Car Windshield Washer Tablets. Compact, powerful, and versatile. Elevate your cleaning game with this ingenious solution. Introducing number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling windshield washer. Fluids on Amazon, the 100 pieces car windshield washer fluid concentrated clean tablets. Imagine transforming a small, solid tablet into a gallon of powerful windshield washer fluid. Yes, with these tablets, that's exactly what you get. One tiny tablet, no larger than 1.7 centimeters, dissolves into a full gallon of effective dirt-busting washer fluid. Not only is this economical, saving you a significant amount of money compared to traditional washer fluids, but it's also remarkably efficient. 100 tablets, 100 gallons. The math speaks for itself. These tablets excel in performance. They tackle dirt with a vengeance, removing harmful and stagnant grime, even the kind you can't see. The result, reduced friction between the wiper blade and glass, which softens the wiper, reduces noise, and ensures a clear, streak-free view for safe driving. It's more than just clean, it's about maintaining your windshield and enhancing your driving experience. Convenience is at the core of this product. Drop a tablet into your car's wiper can, fill it with water, and you're good to go. For a faster dissolve, pre-mix the tablet in a small container of water before adding it to the wiper jar. Either way, you get a thorough, quick dissolving solution that's ready when you are. These versatile effervescent tablets aren't just for your car, they're a multi-use marvel, perfect for cleaning kitchen surfaces, tiles, windows, mirrors, and more. Their powerful formula tackles stains wherever they are, making them a handy tool for various cleaning tasks around your home. Quality is paramount. Each tablet is individually packaged, saving space and making them easy to carry. Just note, these are designed for summer use with a temperature requirement above -5 degrees Celsius. So there you have it, the 100 pieces car windshield washer fluid, concentrated clean tablets, economical, efficient, and incredibly versatile. Elevate your cleaning routine and keep your windshield crystal clear with this innovative product. Coming in at number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling windshield washer fluids on Amazon, the Rain-X White RX 11806D washer fluid additive. Picture this, a simple additive transforming your ordinary washer fluid into a high-performance cleaning solution. That's the magic of Rain-X. This 16.9 FLOZ bottle packs a punch, infusing your existing washer fluid with advanced water-beading technology. It's not just a cleaner, it's an enhancer. Imagine driving through a torrential downpour. With Rain-X, raindrops bead up and roll away, dramatically improving visibility. It's like having a force field that repels water, ensuring you see clearly, even in the worst weather conditions. This additive isn't just about water, it's your ally against sleet, snow, ice, bugs, and road spray. They don't stand a chance. Rain-X helps prevent these nuisances from sticking to your windshield, making your driving experience smoother and safer. Adding Rain-X to your washer fluid is incredibly easy. Just pour it into your existing fluid and let it work its magic. It's that simple. No complicated steps, no hassle, just enhanced cleaning power at your fingertips. The benefits are clear. Enhanced visibility means safer driving. The beading technology doesn't just improve visibility, it transforms it, giving you a clearer, unobstructed view. Every drive becomes more manageable, every journey more secure. Rain-X White RX 11860 washer fluid additive, because seeing clearly means driving safely. Elevate your windshield cleaning routine and experience the difference with this remarkable additive. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling windshield washer fluids on Amazon? If so, make sure to wipe away those doubts and hit the like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a clear recommendation. Securing the number 2 spot in our countdown of the best-selling windshield washer fluids on Amazon, the Prestone AS658 Deluxe 2-in-1 windshield washer fluid. Imagine a product that combines the power of a superior cleaner with the convenience of an all-in-one solution. That's exactly what you get with Prestone's AS658 Deluxe 2-in-1 windshield washer fluid. Packaged in a robust 1-gallon container, this liquid powerhouse is designed specifically for your windshield, ensuring clarity and safety on the road. With 128 fluid ounces at your disposal, you're equipped for an extended period of optimal performance. This isn't just a washer fluid, it's a comprehensive solution. The 2-in-1 formula is engineered to cut through grime, dirt, and bugs with ease, providing a streak-free finish that enhances your visibility significantly. The burstiness of this product's capabilities is astounding. One moment you're dealing with persistent, stubborn stains, and the next they're gone, wiped away effortlessly. It doesn't just clean, it transforms your windshield into a crystal clear shield against the elements. Whether it's a light drizzle or a heavy downpour, the Prestone AS658 ensures you maintain an unobstructed view, enhancing your driving safety. Using this fluid is as straightforward as it gets. Pour it into your windshield washer reservoir and watch it work wonders. The simplicity of its application belies the complex, effective cleaning action it delivers. It's a testament to Prestone's commitment to quality and performance. Prestone AS658 Deluxe 2-in-1 windshield washer fluid, because your windshield deserves the best. Equip your vehicle with this top-tier solution and drive with the confidence that comes from impeccable clarity. Finally, at the pinnacle of our countdown of the best-selling windshield washer fluids on Amazon, we have the unrivaled champion Prestone Bug Wash Windshield Washer Fluid. Imagine a windshield so clear, it's as if the elements don't exist. Prestone Bug Wash isn't just a fluid, it's a revelation in automotive care. Packed in a generous 1-gallon jug, this advanced formula goes beyond the ordinary, tackling bug residue, road grime, bird droppings, and tree sap with unmatched efficiency. Here's where it gets extraordinary. The power cleaner within this fluid doesn't merely clean, it annihilates. Penetrating the toughest residues, it breaks down and removes up to 99.99% of all bugs. Stubborn streaks, forgotten, pesky sap, history. With every wipe, your windshield transforms, revealing a world of clarity. And there's more. The bug stopper feature forms an invisible barrier, a protective shield, if you will, preventing bugs, grime, and other residues from sticking to your windshield in the first place. It's proactive, ensuring that your view remains pristine for longer stretches of time. Driving in the rain, no problem. Prestone Bug Wash boasts water-repellent advanced beading technology, causing rainwater to bead up and roll away. The The result? Streak-free, crystal clear visibility even during the heaviest downpours. It's not just about cleaning, it's about enhancing your driving experience, making it safer and more enjoyable. As you drive, a fresh citrus scent accompanies the powerful streak-free shine, transforming every use into a refreshing experience. It's a multi-sensory upgrade for your car, ensuring not just a cleaner windshield, but a more pleasant drive. Prestone Bug Wash Windshield Washer Fluid, because your vehicle deserves nothing less than the best. Embrace the clarity, embrace the innovation, and drive with confidence, knowing your windshield is protected by the ultimate in automotive care. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling windshield washer fluids on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.